Hello viewers, welcome to JSM. In this lecture, we are going to discuss another important type of isomerism in the coordination compounds, that is coordination position isomerism. In the previous lecture, we have discussed coordination isomerism, okay, which is exhibited by the complexes with two coordination spheres. Okay, this is another type of special isomerism. This is exhibited by the bridged complexes only. Okay, coordination position isomerism, this is exhibited by the bridged complexes only. Okay, coordination isomerism is exhibited by the complexes with two coordination spheres, which we explained in the previous lecture, right? And this coordination position isomerism, don't confuse with these two. Okay, very important. Okay, so here this is exhibited by the bridged complexes. So what happens, how isomers are formed here is that, so here interchange, okay, interchange or exchange of non-bridged ligands, okay, interchange or exchange of non-bridged ligands take place between the metal atoms or ions. Okay, so how this isomerism is arising due to the interchange or exchange of non-bridged ligands between the metal atoms or ions. Okay, with an example we can understand easily. Let us see first example here. Okay, suppose we have a complex of, okay, so we have a complex like this. Okay, this is one complex. Suppose here we have plus 2 units of charge, and this is a coordination position isomer of another one, that is remember that here only non-bridged ligands are exchanged between the two metal atoms. Bridged ligands remain as it is, they cannot be exchanged. Okay, see here, these are considered as bridged ligands and these are considered as the non-bridged ligands, right? So here what is happening, look at this one. See here, this side, left side, for this cobalt 4 amine ligands are attached. For this cobalt 2 amine 2 chlorido ligands are attached. But see here, in this one 3 amine ligands and 1 chlorido ligand is attached to the cobalt, and for this one also 3 amine ligands and 1 chlorido ligand is attached. What is happening here, simply here 1 chlorido ligand is coming here, 1 amine ligand is going there. See here, okay, 1 chlorido from here to here, we have 1 chlorido, right? And 1 amine from here to here, here 2 and here 3. Okay, so in this way, by the exchange of non-bridged ligands between the two metal atoms or ions, this coordination position isomerism is arising. Okay, so only exhibited by the bridged complexes only. See here, this is considered as unsymmetrical form, okay, or unsymmetrical structure. Okay, and this one, this is considered as a symmetrical structure, okay, or symmetrical form. Okay, so this is the unsymmetrical and this is the symmetrical. See here, this molecule, see if you observe like this, we have two equal halves. Okay, if you observe like this, if we have two equal halves, cobalt 3 amine ligands, 1 chlorido ligand, and this side also cobalt 3 amine ligands and 1 chlorido ligand. But see here, look at this one, if you observe like this, so here we have 4 amino ligands and here amine ligands, and here we have 2 amine and 2 chlorido. So that's why it is unsymmetrical structure and this is the symmetrical structure. Clear? Let us see one more example also here. Now, suppose let us take a palladium bridged complex. Okay, so here we have like this, and this side triphenyl phosphine ligand. Okay, so this is one complex. Now this is a coordination position isomer of another complex, that is See here. Now what is happened in these two are, see, for this palladium which is the left side in this complex, two triphenyl phosphine ligands are attached. For this palladium, two chlorido ligands are attached. In this one, see here, one chlorido, one triphenyl phosphine. For this palladium also one chlorido, one triphenyl phosphine. What is happened here? Interchange or exchange of non-bridge ligands. Chlorine is coming onto this palladium and one of the triphenyl phosphine is going and attached to this palladium. Okay, so like this interchange of non-bridging ligands is taking place. See, remember that here any complex, this bridged ligand they will never be exchanged. Only exchange of non-bridged ligand takes place. Remember that. Okay, see again here this is the unsymmetrical structure, right? Unsymmetrical, and this one it is the symmetrical. Okay, so this is the unsymmetrical structure and this is the symmetrical structure. Okay, clear? So this is about the coordination, position, isomerism. Very simple. What is happening here? Only bridged complexes exhibit this one and interchange of non-bridged ligands taking place. Same molecular formula. Okay, non-bridged ligands are exchanged between the two metal atoms. Okay, clear? So, and this is which we discussed in the previous lecture, that is the coordination isomerism, that is different case and this is different. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to support us.